just arrived at this place. It's called the Motowings. And I just parked the bike inside. I will show you guys in a bit. Yeah, I just met the owner as well, the person who owns this place. And yeah, we're going to change the exhaust now. I'll show you guys the process. So the exhaust is getting tightened, and the bash plate is going up, as you can see. So it's pretty much like I just arrived 15 minutes back and they already finished the job. Oh yeah, so everyone, let me bring down the expression. Yeah, so everyone know how the Xpulse 200 stock exhaust sound like. So I didn't shoot that. I just took the footages of how the Xpulse 200 with the Motowings exhaust sounds like. I just shot that. I just missed to shoot the stock exhaust sound. So
truth hurts, doesn't it, Habsburg? Oh sure, maybe not as much as jumping on a bicycle with a seat missing.